Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a really special car here today. It's a 1968 Shelby GT350 convertible. It's factory raven black, white top, numbers matching car, C4 automatic. And it's just, black Shelbys are rare anyway, but this car has some pretty unique history. That license plate is not on there just to be on there. This is one of 10 convertibles that was given to Playboy Enterprises from Shelby and Ford in 1968. And Playboy, when they opened their Lake Geneva Playboy Club in Wisconsin, they were given 10 Shelby Convertibles. 5 of them were 350s, 5 of them were 500s. And this is one of the 10, and the unique part about that is this is the only black one out of the 10. And as some of you know, they didn't make many black Shelbys anyway, especially convertibles. They only made 404 350 convertibles in '68 anyway. And I've got the Elite Marty in the trunk. We'll check that out. But tons of documentation between Shelby and Ford about these cars. All 10 cars were at the grand opening parade in May of 1968. Like I said, at the Lake Geneva Club, Playboy Club in Wisconsin. This is a beautiful car, very rare car. Interior's in excellent condition. It's got all the original seat belts, roll bar. Car shows 47,000 actual miles. Believe that to be original. It's in excellent condition. It's the original top. The back glass was replaced, but the top canvas is original. It's got the right steel wheels with hubcaps, tires. So let's just go over some of these documents. Here is a copy of the Marty. And here's a lot of correspondence between Shelby Automotive and promotion managers from Shelby and Playboy. Lots of documentation, which I will take pictures of all these documents. That is a welcome brochure from the real authentic one from the Playboy Club in Lake Geneva. This is an original parking pass from the Playboy Club Hotel in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. Some original owner's manual, some other original documentation, passenger car warranty booklet facts. So here's the Elite Marty. As you can see, the car's factory black, Menard Ford in Minneapolis. So there were 11 Raven Black automatics. Factory Raven Black 4-speed. So the VIN is verified through SAAC to be one of the 10 cars. We're going to do a lot of videos on this car. This is just the preliminary video. The complete Let's look down quarters. Look down the doors. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. Let's get a view of the trunk. So I might have to have two hands to get this hood open. Let's see. Nope, got it. Okay. The engine bay is beautiful. We got the car, we pulled the engine out, re-detailed everything, went through the engine, original Shelby tag. We tried to make it as concourse type as we could. Correct, I mean, everything under the hood is correct as far as the right parts. Maybe off a couple bolts. It's got the horsehair fan shroud, correct color shocks, correct color power steering pump. And it is the numbers matching engine. The VIN is on the top of the pad on the block. I've got pictures of it. So go ahead and start it. Starts right up. Looks like it's at on about 800 RPM. Factory exhaust on it, so it's not very loud. So we're gonna do some more videos, pictures, a lot of pictures. This is a really serious collector car, very rare car with a lot of unique history. The car was found by Richard Rollins at Gas Monkey Garage, and they have videos on their YouTube. And then Richard sold it to Dennis Collins from Collins Brothers Jeep, and then from there we got it from Dennis, made a lot of improvements on the car, just made it a better car. But anyway, we're gonna do some driving videos. I'm gonna take the top down, do a lot of pictures. So thanks for watching, and there's more to come. Okay, everybody, here's another part of the video. Top's down. Have a video of it coming down.